Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In this KT session, we will see the use of actions of utility string business object in Blue Prism. We have already created a part 1 of this business object, and in this part 2 we will cover the remaining actions. So let's start. The next action is format number. In this we have to input a value which we want to format. Means if we want to apply kind of format like we add a comma after hundredth digit or unit digit. So this kind of formatting we can apply on numbers. For this I have taken this data item formatted currency numbers. See, so whatever value we will give, it will add comma and dots and do the proper formatting of the number. The next one is generate new GUID.
A GUID, which stands for Globally Unique Identifier, is a long string of characters used in computing to uniquely identify something. It's like a special code that is guaranteed to be unique across different systems and applications worldwide. GUIDs are typically represented as a sequence of numbers and letters. Think of a GUID as a super special and unique name for something in the digital world. It helps computers and software keep track of different things without getting confused, ensuring that each item has its own distinct identifier. GUIDs are commonly used in databases, software development, and various other areas of computing where unique identification is crucial.
The next action is get collection as CSV. In this, we will get the collections data in the CSV format. Means in we will get a data item of text type, and in this text type data item we will get the data of the collection, and that will be separated by the comma. Means we can convert a collection into a text data items, and we will get this type of result name comma value. Means in first row we will get the first row of the collection when all the fields name like name and value, we have two fields, and in second we will get the second row of data of second row, and similarly we will get for third, fourth, and so on. We got data in 5 rows. Let's move to the next action, which is get new line character. So I am storing the result in an data item, so we will get a new line character in this. When we open this and we go to current value, we can see the cursor is in next line. The next action is get XML attribute. So we have this XML, it contains a bookstore. In this example we can see this bookstore is the parent element and book is the child element of this bookstore, and this book contains a attribute which is category. So we have two book element and the category of these attribute of both books which is category, and this category have different value. The first category contain children and second contain web. So now we will use this XML get XML attribute. So attribute is category, and we want to get the attribute of bookstore. We have given this XML, and we need to give the name of the attribute. So attribute name is category. So it will return the value of the category, and we will store that value into a value data item. So let's run the bot children. So it will return the first ever value. See, it will go to this XML and it will look for category. As soon as it will get category, it will give the value of the category attribute. So it will give returns children or the first value always. And next is the get XML element. So if we want to get the value of elements, so here element is book, means that children element we can say. And if you want to get the value of this, it will give you the values. See, we got two elements because we have two book element. We have two elements of book type. First one have a category children, and next one has category web. So this is how we can get the XML element. Next one is in string. I hope you are familiar with this section. We want to like its name suggests, in string we want to check whether this particular substring is available in the string or not. So here we will give the text, and we have compare method. One is for text, 0 is for binary. If you want to do the binary comparison, you can give 0, and start byte you can give. If you are doing a binary comparison or text comparison, you can give the start byte, means from which byte you want to start. I think each character get 1 byte. So search string, whatever value or substring you want to search in the text. For example, if you want to search ABC value in a character or in a line or in a sentence, you can use this. And in search string we will search for blue in the Blue Prism. And position will get the position, means the number at which blue is available. So we have to input the value of start byte. Should means from first character we will check this. See, position is 1. This blue character is available in the first position or the first element. See, we have changed the position. Now it is showing at 7. Similarly, we can change the start byte to 8, and when we search, see, we are not getting this blue in the prism blue because we are searching from the 8th byte, and 8th byte will be the L of the blue. Next one is in string reverse. If you want to search the string from the reverse, you can use this action. See, we are getting 0 because it is looking for blue, and if we come from right to left, we won't get blue. We will get EULB. Because we are starting from the byte 1, so we have to start from the 8th byte, then it will be able to search, because we are searching from the reverse and we are starting from 1, but it shouldn't be start from 1, because if you start from 1, because it is going from right to left from 8th character to 1, and we already starting from 1, so it will go from 1 to 0. Okay, so the next action. Okay, let's move to the next action, which is join lines. So if you want to join the lines of a collection, means all the rows of the collection, we can use this action. In this, we have to input a collection and trim lines. Whether you want to trim the lines or not, means true or false you can give. It will remove the space from the beginning and ending of that line. So basically it will join the lines, multiple lines into a text. Like earlier we did, we use get collection as CSV. So we joined all the collection rows by a comma. So let me create a collection first and add some field. and make sure the field name of the collection should be item value. And we will store the result in the joint text. It's in the port. So here we can see we have 6 values in the collection, and in the joint text we can see all the lines. Hello, hi, bye, not, where, who are you, and all. Same thing we are doing with the get collection as CSV, but that was separating that values by a comma, but here it is not using any comma. Next one is join text. If you want to join all the text, in this we are earlier we were joining the lines, but now we will join all the text. See, so this is how we can get, means in join lines we will get the output as, in output that things will be separated by the new line, but in join text all the text will be joined without any para, without anything. And next one is pad left. So if you want to give any space, means if you need a string or a text of a particular length, let's say 5, the target width is 5, and if the string is less than 5, if the length of the text is less than 5, so we can add a particular character, means we are adding hash. So our string is our text is hey, and it is less than 5, so it will add the hash in the left. Now the length of the string will become 5 because it is the target width. So if we can increase the width to 10, so it will add 7 hash. You can count it here. And if we give the target width is 3 and already the length of the string is 3, so it won't add anything. Next one is remove non-word characters. Non-word characters. If you want to remove non-word characters from a text, you can use this action. Let's say I'm giving hey 123 star star 90302 by and all. So when we run the pot and we will see if the results in this trimmed. Let me remove unnecessary character, unnecessary data items. Okay, so we can see hey 123 is star by. So basically it will trim the text. It's non-word characters. Do you know what is non-word? Non-word means that a blank space, rows and all those type of characters it will remove. This will trims the non-word characters from the beginning and end of the string, end of the text only. So if in the middle of the text we give anything, I mean any non-word character like blank space, so it won't remove. It will remove from the beginning and the end of the sentence. Like say if I remove by from the ending, so we have lot of blank spaces in the beginning and in the end as well. So now this will remove the space from, means that the space is up non-word, so we can see it has removed the space from the beginning and also from the end, but not from the middle. So the next action is split lines. If you want to split the lines, so earlier we were joining the line, joining the text by lines. Now we will split the lines of a text and we will get a output collection. See, there isn't any new line, so we get only one result. So for splitting the lines, you have to give a new line character. Only then BluePrism will be able to understand, means there is a new line. And if we hit enter by keyboard and move the text into next line, that won't work. Next one is split lines by length. So if you want to split the lines by a particular length, means if you need a line, if you want, means the line should contains maximum 20 characters or letters. So you can use this type of action. Means every line will contains only a particular amount of characters. So now we got 80 rows. See, in each row we can see 20 characters. And if we make it, if we increase the maximum line length to 40, now we will get half rows, means 40 rows. Split text. If you want to split the text by a particular character, means if there is any hash in this text, then it should split, or we can split it by comma or a dot or a blank space. So in which collection we want to save this, we can give the name of the field of that collection. See, we will get the result into this collection, and all the data is split it by comma. And test regex method. Here we can give the regex pattern and target string. For example, this is the regex pattern, and the target string we are giving, we will get is it matched or not. False, false. So these are the actions which we have, which BluePrism provides in the utility string business object. I hope you understand all use of all the actions. If still you have any query or doubt, guys, you can do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video, guys.